Welcome back to AI Topia, where we explore the fascinating world of AI and its practical applications. In today's video, we're diving straight into a topic that can have a profound impact on your career: the role of AI in helping you land your dream job. Are you ready to discover how AI can revolutionize the job search process and give you that competitive edge? Let's get started. First up, we have AI Resume Builders, a game changer in the realm of crafting attention-grabbing resumes. We all know that condensing an entire job into 3 high-impact bullet points is no easy feat. Let's be honest, talking about ourselves can sometimes feel uncomfortable. But fear not. AI resume builders like Kick Resume, Resi, and Skill Roads have come to the rescue. These innovative tools take the weight off your shoulders by leveraging the power of AI, including the remarkable GPT-4. Here's how it works. Simply input your job title and watch as the AI takes charge. It analyzes your work experience and generates a range of relevant bullet points that highlight your achievements and skills. Gone are the hours lost staring at a blinking cursor. But it doesn't end there. With these AI resume builders, you have the freedom to choose the most impactful bullet points that resonate with your actual work experience. This ensures that your resume truly reflects your unique strengths and capabilities. And that's not all. You can further personalize your resume by selecting from a variety of design templates, allowing you to create a visual representation that aligns with your personal brand. Imagine having a resume that not only captures the attention of hiring managers, but also showcases your individuality and professional identity. With AI resume builders, it's within your grasp. So whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your career, these tools empower you to present your best self on paper. Finding the perfect job match in today's competitive market can often feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But fear not, AI job matching tools have emerged as a powerful solution to simplify this overwhelming process. Platforms such as TalentPrize and Pajama Jobs leverage advanced AI algorithms to revolutionize the way job seekers connect with opportunities. Let's dive into TalentPrize, one of the leading AI job matching platforms. This remarkable tool goes beyond simply matching your skills and experience with job listings. It takes into account your preferences, ensuring a more personalized and tailored job search experience. With TalentPrize, you'll embark on a journey where the right job finds you. To get started, you'll complete a series of questions that cover your job preferences, such as location, willingness to relocate, remote versus in-office work, and availability to start. Additionally, you'll provide information about your work experience, skills, and education, forming the foundation of your comprehensive biography. But here's where TalentPrize truly stands out. It goes beyond the surface level. The platform utilizes AI to assess your personality traits, work traits, values, and motivations. By creating a holistic profile of who you are as an individual and a professional, TalentPrize ensures that job recommendations align not only with your qualifications, but also with your values and culture fit. But what if you're specifically looking for remote work opportunities? Fear not. Pajama Jobs is here to cater to your needs. With its AI-driven algorithms, Pajama Jobs specializes in matching job seekers with remote positions. Whether you're seeking location independence or a flexible work environment, this platform ensures that you find the perfect remote job that fits your skills and preferences. In today's digital age, the hiring process has evolved, and applicant tracking system algorithms now play a significant role in resume screening. It's no longer just about impressing hiring managers. You also need to navigate through these digital gatekeepers. But fear not. AI resume optimization tools such as JobScan are here to help you ace this game. Let's talk about JobScan, the go-to tool for ensuring your resume stands out in the eyes of ATS algorithms. This remarkable tool analyzes job listings with precision and compares them to your resume, cover letter, and even your LinkedIn profile. By doing so, it provides you with invaluable insights and suggestions on how to optimize your application for each specific role. Imagine this: you come across a job listing that seems like the perfect fit, but you're unsure if your resume aligns with the specific keywords and requirements mentioned. JobScan takes away the uncertainty. With its AI-driven analysis, it scans both your resume and the job listing, highlighting the areas where you can make improvements. JobScan rates your resume's compatibility with the job listings and provides you with a match rate, giving you a clear indication of how well your application aligns with the requirements. It identifies missing keywords, skills, or experiences that might be crucial for catching the attention of the ATS algorithms. But it doesn't stop there. JobScan also offers valuable suggestions on how to optimize your resume for each specific job. It guides you on incorporating the right keywords and tailoring your content to increase your chances of getting noticed by both the ATS and hiring managers. Imagine having a tool that acts as your personal resume optimization coach, helping you fine-tune your applications for success. With AI-powered resume optimization tools like JobScan, you can confidently navigate the world of ATS algorithms and increase your chances of landing an interview. Crafting personalized cover letters for every job application can be a daunting and time-consuming task. It's crucial to make a lasting impression on potential employers, but finding the right words and tailoring each letter to a specific job can be overwhelming. However, fret not. AI-powered cover letter generators, such as CoverDoc.ai, are here to save the day and make the process much more manageable. Here's how it works. You start by providing basic details about the job you're applying for, such as the job title, company, and any specific requirements mentioned in the job listing. Additionally, you can input your writing style preferences to ensure that the generated cover letter reflects your unique voice. CoverDoc.ai harnesses the power of AI to generate personalized cover letter drafts based on the information you provide. It utilizes sophisticated algorithms and language models to create compelling and tailored cover letters that grab the attention of hiring managers. Now, it's important to note that while these AI-generated cover letter drafts provide a solid starting point, it's essential to review and edit them to ensure accuracy and authenticity. By incorporating your personal touch and fine-tuning the content to align with your skills and experiences, you can create a cover letter that truly reflects your qualifications and showcases your personality. As you embark on your job hunting journey, you'll likely find yourself repeatedly drafting similar emails to recruiters and hiring managers. It's a necessary but often tedious aspect of the process. However, with the power of automation and AI, you can say goodbye to the tedium and hello to efficiency. Let's explore how Zapier and GPT can revolutionize your email drafting experience. Imagine this scenario. You receive an email from a recruiter or hiring manager, and you know you'll need to craft a thoughtful and personalized response. Instead of starting from scratch and typing out a new email each time, you can leverage the capabilities of Zapier and GPT to automate the process. And here's how it works. Using Zapier, you can connect your Gmail inbox with GPT, creating a seamless workflow. When you receive an email that requires a response, simply mark it with a specific label, such as Job Hunt. Zapier then takes over, recognizing the label you assigned and triggering GPT to generate a prompt for your response. GPT, powered by its advanced language models and natural language processing, creates a fully drafted email tailored to the specific context of the email you received. Within minutes, behind the scenes, you'll have a complete email draft ready to review, customize, and then send. All the repetitive work of drafting nearly identical email responses is handled for you, allowing you to focus on personalizing the content and ensuring it aligns with your professional style and the specific needs of the recipient. It's important to note that while GPT can generate a comprehensive draft, it's essential to review each email carefully. By adding your personal touch, fine-tuning the message, and ensuring it reflects your unique voice, you can create emails that are authentic and engaging. Remember, while automation and AI can streamline the process, it's crucial to review and customize each email to ensure it aligns with the specific context and requirements of the recipient. By leveraging the capabilities of Zapier and GPT, you can transform your email drafting experience and make it more efficient than ever before. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Also, share your thoughts and experiences with the AI-powered job search tools in the comments below. Until next time, keep leveraging technology to unlock your full potential. Be sure to tune in for our next video, where we'll continue our exploration of cutting-edge AI applications. Remember, the future is now, and you're at the forefront of it all. See you soon.